Ma'am, you made it, and that already sets you apart because most people push through tension without ever realizing it. Right now, your body might feel heavy, your spine tight, your breath shallow. But what if 5 minutes could change all of that? This isn't just about flexibility, it's about recovery. And what we unlock today, it goes deeper than your muscles. Let's hit the mat. This stretch melts tension in your upper back, shoulders, and chest, all while grounding your nervous system. It's like a deep sigh for your body. Come to all fours, walk your hands forward and drop your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. Rest your forehead or chin down. You'll feel a long stretch down your spine and shoulders, like you're unraveling sleep from your bones. Here's a surprising fact. This posture triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. That's why it feels so calming. Reach your fingertips just 1 inch further. Feel the expansion? Do you feel the space between your ribs open? If not, focus on your breath and watch what happens. That just unlocked your upper back. Now let's release the hips where your body stores days of built-up tension. If your hips feel heavy or stiff, there's a reason. Most of us store stress in the glutes, and we rarely take time to let that go. Lie on your back across your right ankle of your left thigh. Thread your hands behind your left hamstring and gently pull it in. Keep your shoulders relaxed. You'll feel a deep stretch through your right glute and hip. I promise this will feel like a hidden reset button you didn't know you had. Exhale fully and gently pull the leg 1/2 inch closer. That's where the magic starts. Do you feel that stretch in your outer hip? If not, adjust your foot and press your right knee away. Switch sides. Your hips are releasing now, but what we do next will go even deeper into your spine. That just loosened your hips. Now let's wrap your spine in comfort and care. The stretch is deceptively simple, but don't underestimate its power. It soothes the lower back like a warm embrace. Sit tall on your mat. Bring your right knee into your chest and hug it tight. Keep your spine long. Don't round forward. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel the tension melt down your spine. This is your reset. And the fun fact is that this gentle compression helps improve digestion and hydrates the spinal discs. Sit 1/2 inch taller while pulling the knee 1/2 inch closer. Do you feel the stretch in your lower back and glute? If not, you're holding your breath. Try again with a slow exhale. Lower back, calm. Hips, open. Now let's sink into stillness with one of the deepest releases of the whole routine. Your body has been bracing itself all week. This is your invitation to let go. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall out wide. Place your hand on your belly, one on your heart. Breathe slowly and deep. You'll feel a stretch through the inner thighs, hips, and even the mind. Did you know that this stretch mirrors the fetal position? Your brain recognizes it as safe, which lowers stress and heart rate. Stay still. Take the slowest breath of your day. Can you make it last 8 seconds? Do you feel your hips opening with each exhale? If not, soften your inner thighs and relax your jaw. Your body's at ease. Let's finish standing and send all the release through your spine. This is your final surrender, the moment you let gravity take the weight off your back. Stand tall, slowly hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your arms dangle, maybe grab opposite elbows. Soften your knees as needed. You'll feel a release through your entire back line, from the soles of your feet to the base of your skull. I promise this one stretch will leave you feeling 10 pounds lighter. Sway gently side to side. Let go a little more with each exhale. Do you feel your hamstrings lengthening? If not, bend your knees and focus on your breath instead of depth. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear your mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. So, if you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just about progress, it's peace that lasts.